I just got back from the dreamiest trip to the Colorado mountains where I was able to rent out a multi-million-dollar house, where I was able to pay for catering and a private chef for a group of women, where I was able to teach them step by step how to make six figures online. But here's the thing, my life was not always that way. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you the one thing that I did that completely flipped my life around, that took me from being a broke stay-at-home mom of 3 boys to a multi-six-figure income earner, making over $600,000 from my cell phone in just under 2 years. So if you're new over here, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because I teach you the best ways to make money online on my channel. So first, if you're new over here, let me introduce myself. My name is Victoria. I'm a boy mom to 3. I'm an Army wife, and I spent 7 years in network marketing thinking that that was the only way to make an income from my phone. Just like so many of you that tried that too, I found my face glued to my phone while my kids are over here going, "Mommy, mommy, mommy, come play with me, come do trains, let's go to the park." And I didn't have that freedom to be able to do that, because I had to do the recruiting, the cold messaging, the parties, all of that, just to try to make $7 on a dang mascara. I so desperately wanted that time freedom and that financial freedom to be able to put my phone down and be present with my kids. And let's be real, I didn't think that it was possible to make a substantial income from my phone. That's until I found this one thing. About 2 years ago, I started watching this girl show up on my newsfeed talking about how she made $40,000 in 2 months doing this digital marketing thing. And just like so many people, I said, must be nice. Good for her. Sounds too good to be true. Because how is it that you could make that much money working 2 hours a day from your cell phone when I spent years Googling best work from home jobs? I was skeptical, but this was my Hail Mary, and I decided to go all in. What I found changed everything for me. I found a done-for-you program that teaches you step by step how to market anything on all social media platforms. Here's the kicker. This is something that every business needs. And so what I'm doing is teaching them the marketing strategies so that they can market their business. But the beautiful thing about this too is that you get 100% resale rights. That means that I'm able to market the program and make $900 a day. Sometimes even 4 or 5 figures a day, all around my busy mom life while I'm chasing my kids around, taking them to soccer practice or to therapy, all of those things. My email automations are working for me in the background of my day, which means that I'm able to set my phone down and still be getting paid. I started this on a whim when we were so broke, living paycheck to paycheck. My baby goal going into this was to make $1,200 a month. And in my first month, I made $29,000. That's coming from somebody who had never seen a 6-figure income before. That's coming from somebody that used to work 3 jobs just to try to pay the bills, and I still couldn't even afford heat for 6 months. So to see an income like that about blew me out of the water. And that's when everything started shifting for me. And my passion ended up becoming helping other broke mamas see the same success. That's when I decided to do that retreat in the mountains, helping other people to make 6 figures. And by the way, if you haven't done so yet, make sure you go to the link in my description, because that's going to send you my full 2-hour strategy. So let me just tell you, you don't need to be anyone that has any network experience. You don't need a following. You don't need to cold message friends and family. You don't need any kind of social media experience or tech experience. You just need to be willing to follow a step-by-step proven process that is going to teach you exactly how to average $900 a day. If that sounds like something that you might be interested in, don't forget to go to the link in my description, because that'll send you the email with all the info. I am so committed to helping you succeed. You cannot fail if you follow the same strategy that I've used. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next video teaching you how to make money online. Bye.